welcome back to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. So in today's video we're going to be talking about if Shenseea is the princess of dancehall. As you guys know, Spice have the queen of dancehall throne right now, and she does not seem like she's giving it up anytime soon. So Shenseea made some claims that she's the princess of dancehall in the comment section of a picture with Spice, and it caused a whole uproar on social media. Me have two little idiot y'all, they go back and forth, they cuss me off in our comment section, and Chopic's page also, two little butterfoot y'all, because I agree with Popcaan. Popcaan says she's not a princess of dancehall, and I wholeheartedly agree 100%. Not hating or anything. Shenseea is doing her thing. She is an up-and-coming artist, but would I give Shenseea the princess of dancehall throne or crown or tiara? No, I wouldn't, because I don't feel like Shenseea has worked her way up to that place yet. There's a lot of other people in the dancehall fraternity that I would give that crown to. Aishana, Tifa, Pampote, like people that have been in the business for years, that have been putting their boots on the ground, working non-stop. And I feel like the only reason why this is even a conversation is because of how she looks, her being light-skinned, long hair, and the money that they have pushing behind her. And honestly, colorism and skin complexion plays a big role in Jamaica, because people destroy their skin, destroy their hair follicles to fit into a specific narrative, and whatever narrative that is, whether it look like white people, whether it look like some people who don't even exist, people, especially women in Jamaica, try to be that, and Shenseea fall in that category of who most Jamaican women admire or try to look up to or try to look like. She naturally has that, and I can see why people praise her. But for me personally, she hasn't put in that groundwork yet. Shenseea need a better catalog as far as music is concerned, because to me, truly, honestly, Shenseea only have one hit, and that's Lodi. Honestly, if I'm gonna speak honestly, she's doing her thing. Yes, she has some really nice songs, yes, but are they hits? Nah, they're good songs. Another thing, she doesn't have stage presence. Like, I watched her BET Experience performance, and quite honestly, I was not impressed. Her Sunfest performance, I was not impressed. Like, her stage presence need work. She needs to build a better catalog. She needs to be boots on the ground, be in the business, working hard for her to claim that title. And she claims that she's unbothered and she's this and she's that. But if you're so unbothered, why would you even reply? Why would you even address it? I love when people talk about how they're unbothered and them choose to reply and them choose to talk about it. If you're unbothered, don't reply, don't comment on it. Me always bothered, so anytime people say anything to me that I don't like, I'm bothered. I'm big mad. Okay? I'll address you as such. But comment in the comment section and tell me if you guys think that Popcaan was right in saying that Shenseea is not the princess of dancehall. Do you think Tifa, Aisha, and Pampote is the princess of dancehall? Who would you give that category to? And do you think that people push and support for lighter skinned females in the dancehall music fraternity than they do the darker skinned females? Because this is something I've seen for years, and people always try to not talk about it or try to put it on the back burner or not try to slide it under the rug, but in truth and in fact, that's what it really is. Lighter skin, long hair, straight hair is more marketable. It's on a global scale, so that's what they always choose. Why you think she has that big sponsorship? Why you think that she and Aishana was competing and Spice wasn't a part of that conversation? Because of color of skin. But may I leave it there. So for you guys to decide. Comment in the comment section and tell what you guys think about this story, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hey. All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.